It's going to take more time. That's the word from a Detroit judge presiding over a lawsuit to stop more radioactive waste from being imported into Wayne County.
It's been such a hot topic for neighbors, obviously, who live near that area in the landfill in Van Buren Township. Fox News' Dave Kinchin joins us live with more on tonight's developments. Dave.
Yeah, tense moments in that courthouse there. I can tell you this, a lot of residents say they think the judge eventually will come down on their side, but they're eager for results.
The delay was disappointing in some ways.
Chris Donnelly is one of several Van Buren Township area residents inside 3rd Judicial Circuit Court in downtown Detroit for a special hearing on a lawsuit filed to stop the storage of radioactive waste at the Wayne Disposal Inc. landfill. But Judge Kevin Cox decided to take more time, adding at least 2 more weeks to a process that has gone on seemingly for years.
It also showed us that he's taking this very seriously, and it's really, heartening to hear that he's deliberating intently on this and listening to the community as well as big business.
The case dates back to late last summer when a decision was reached to allow the delivery and storage of about 4,000 gallons of radioactive groundwater and 6,000 cubic yards of radioactive waste shipped into Wayne County from the Manhattan Project of World War II. That's the historic program used to develop nuclear weapons. The judge placed a temporary restraining order on the matter as both sides debated an issue that remains contentious nearly a year later.
There are 365,000 people living within a 10-mile radius of this facility.
Meantime, concerned residents met with state environmental officials last week to get an update on the landfill's application to expand its facility, allowing for even more waste to be stored.
Eagle and multiple other agencies are currently reviewing the application, and we're looking to see if it meets federal and state law.
Neighbors hope that's a no-go as well.
Imagine driving down I-94 and seeing this 220-foot black mountain and pointing at it and say, that's the nuclear mountain. Let's just keep driving. The impact to businesses, property values, residents, and just the economy of this area will be destroyed.
Republic Services, which runs the landfill, sent Fox 2 a statement saying, quote, Wayne Disposal Inc. is a highly engineered facility designed to safely and compliantly manage complex and hazardous waste streams that are generated through a variety of industrial and other processes. The landfill meets or exceeds all regulations and is an important asset that helps protect the community and the environment. The Michigan Department of Environmental, Great Lakes and Energy, Eagle, and USACE have confirmed that the material from the Niagara Falls storage site does not pose a risk to public health or the community. Meantime, neighbors we talked with say they feel the court case is their biggest line of defense.
Judge Cox didn't explain why he's delaying the decision, but I imagine it's because he understands how serious his decision is on our entire county and state.
Meanwhile, Eagle says they expect a decision on that bid to expand the landfill within the calendar year, possibly later this summer. Dave Kinchin, Fox 2 News.
Yeah, residents may not know the long-term health impact from this waste, but they may say it's safe, and I'm sure if you live there, you don't want to find out, and it would make it very difficult to move while impacting your home value. So they're really kind of stuck.
Yeah, and a lot of residents say this had been going on for a while, but they only really found out about it about a year or so ago. So they really wonder what else has already been brought in before they learned about it.
All right,
so that's another part of the issue.
Yeah, we'll have to wait and find out on this one and see what the judge decides as well. Thanks, Dave.